out the window, no smoke in my eyes. I can hear the wind chiming. It's always been you in the back of my mind. Early blue morning, when everything's cold, I see you running, all covered in gold. There's nothing else that eases my soul. I let it all go out the window, no smoke in my eyes. I can hear the wind chiming. It's always been you in the back of my mind. When there are others, I do the routine. I dance all alone there. I try to be seen. Then there's a feeling, you know what I mean. I let it all go out the window, no smoke in my eyes. I can hear the wind chiming. It's always been you in the back of my mind.
Good morning, friends. The chilly fall weather is finally here. It's about 55 degrees Fahrenheit, which makes me so happy. I love sweater weather, although I will say that I have trouble getting out of bed when it's chilly in the morning, so it was so nice to have breakfast in bed to ease into the morning. This is not something I usually do, but whenever I do, it is such a treat. I have some really fun fall activities planned for today. I'm going to go to the apple orchard this morning and I'll take you with me, and then when we get home, I'm going to make a couple of apple treats and a really cozy dinner. It's going to be a day full of yummy food and cozy activities, so I'm going to finish up my breakfast, get dressed, and then we'll head out to the apple orchard.
Journey waiting to start. Imagine us going far, 'cause they couldn't change that, my love. Life has only begun. Our feet were fashioned to run. Oh, and we'll go farther than we've been. Journey waiting to start. Imagine us going far. Oh, and we'll go farther than we've been.
I got so many apples and some apple cider, so I'm going to make some hot spiced apple cider, and then later tonight Alex and I are going to make an apple pie.
I'm bright like a sun. You were my nova on the run, and I float in the wake we played. And if you're feeling roughed up by the weather, you can always wear your cold sweater. It's been waiting here all this time. But when the winter chill freezes to the bone, you can always find your way back home to our little shelter from the storm. And if you're feeling roughed up by the weather, you can always wear your cold sweater. It's been waiting here all this time.
We've made some good progress on the puzzle. We have almost the whole outline completed, but this is pretty difficult.
It's a hard one.
It is a 1,000 piece puzzle, so I feel like it's probably going to take us a few days to finish it, but we are going to stop and go eat dinner. But first, for dessert, we're going to make an apple pie to eat later on tonight. It turned out so cute. I'm so excited. I love the little blossoms and leaves. I think it's so sweet. I'm actually kind of sad that we have to cut into it now, but it's okay. It'll be yummy. about a quarter of the way through A Discovery of Witches, and I'm loving it so far. I've had a pretty busy week, but every spare moment I have, I've been picking up this book and reading it, and I can't put it down. It's so good. I think this is a perfect book for September into October because the book begins in the early fall at Oxford University, so it has kind of a dark academia vibe, and then it quickly takes some really dark twists and turns, and it gets very spooky pretty quickly. So a really good kind of atmospheric autumn read. And I also finished The Very Secret Society of Irregular Witches a couple of weeks ago, and I have to say I think this is one of my favorite books of all time. It was just such a wonderful book and so heartwarming. The main character is a witch, and she learns throughout her life that it's not safe for her to share who she really is with other people, and then she kind of stumbles into this opportunity to join this quirky family of sorts, and she is afraid at first and she really has trouble being vulnerable, but she realizes that if she can have the courage to be more vulnerable and share her true self, then she can find people who will accept her for who she is. And I feel like that message just resonates so deeply with so many of us, including me, of course. It takes so much courage to be ourselves, but then if we can have that courage, we'll find the people out there who love and accept us for who we are. And I know I shared a couple of weeks ago that I have a lot of anxiety being in front of the camera and just creating and sharing with other people, so I felt like this book was exactly what I needed to read right now, because it reminded me that even though I'm very scared to share things, I have been able to find a wonderful community through being myself and sharing more of myself and what I love with other people. So on that note, I just wanted to thank you all so much for being here and for watching. It truly means so much to me. I hope you all have a wonderful week, and I will see you next time.